y'all ready for this?
You follow sports?
Oh my god, sports, I love them.
Who are your favorite teams?
I like the smaller teams, like not the big leagues. Like the Long Island Mediums, the Acorn Pine Cones,
I haven't heard of them.
the Fire Island Penguins. I like the Cincinnati Thunder Wizards,
You can stop.
the Orlando Blooms.
You can stop. You don't follow sports.
I'm sorry, I don't. I don't know anything about sports.
That's okay. I didn't really follow sports either until I got in this field, to be honest.
I think they're just kind of weird and strange. Grown men wearing jerseys with another man's name on them. Like, are you in jail? Are you his bitch?
I think sports brings people together and forms a community.
That's what I was saying.
I'll tell you another thing about this job is that I get to work with a lot of athletes, which means I work with a lot of
Black people?
injuries. What did you just say? Did you just say black people?
No.
Do you have a problem with black people?
No! I love black people. I prefer black people.
Do you have black friends?
Endless black friends.
Can you show me pictures of your black friends on your phone?
You want to see pictures on my phone of my black friends?
You gotta have a lot of them.
I have so many. I'm just trying to find which one because there's so many. Here we go.
Great, let's see. That is you and your white friend, and that is a waiter pouring your water.
Here, let me find another one. Oh, wait. My phone just died.
Great.
So, do you think this interview is over?
Yes.
Can I ask you a question about stereos?
You mean steroids?
Yes.
No.
Okay. What about that really hot guy? Oh, what's his name?
No.
Nope. Okay. Oh, what about Baby Ruth?
You mean Babe Ruth?
Yes, him.
He's dead.
Oh, I really like that candy bar.
You need to go now.
Yes. Yes.
Security, can we make sure the white flower girl is out of the building, please?